Welcome to the Botanical Cake Studio David Austin Rose class. In this class I'm going to show you how to make this classic English garden rose modelled on the Charles Austin variety. I've chosen this particular variety for its pale apricot colouring and its lovely full fluffy petal shape. The class is broken down into step-by-step videos teaching you everything from how to make your own flower paste, rolling your paste out to create ultra-thin lifelike petals, forming and shaping your rose, making accompanying foliage and mixing your colours to achieve lifelike colour palettes. I've also created handy PDF guides, recipe and cheat sheets to help you with petal counts and positioning. And finally you'll have access to a class Facebook group where I'll be on hand to help you with any questions you might have along the way. I look forward to joining you on this class.